How to render image in Blender. I'm going to show you how to render the image in Blender using this cube. So I'm going to render this cube. After you finish all your lighting and the camera, you simply need to click on the camera. Adjust that, press N on your keyboard and then click on view and make sure you select camera to view. This way you can move your camera and view it in different angles. Also make sure you select your render engine. Currently it is selected to Cycles. After you finish all the settings, you can click on render and then click render image. After a few seconds, depending upon the geometry that this image has, it will take a few seconds, even up to a few minutes. So that's how you can render an image in Blender.